1. Wallets. If you're taking trips to grocery shop, that means you're taking your wallet out at the store, which makes your wallet vulnerable to exposure. Add your wallet to your post-store sanitizing routine to avoid bringing foreign bacteria or viruses into your home. We suggest using a disinfecting wipe on your wallet, but be sure to look up the correct cleaning method for your wallet's material to avoid tarnishing the fabric. 2. Earphones. Because our headphones come in direct contact with our ears and fingers, it is important to clean these regularly to prevent the further spread of germs. No matter how clean your ears are, we all have occasional earwax, and that wax can end up sticking to the earphone. Additionally, if you place your earphones on the tables or dressers around your home, they could pick up bacteria or viruses and then transmit them to your ear canal. You can put these concerns to rest by cleaning your earphones daily. We suggest you clean your earphones properly without damaging them, but generally recommends using a wipe with some rubbing alcohol. 3. Purses and reusable bags. Most stores have stopped accepting reusable bags at checkout because they could be a host to the coronavirus. If you are still using a purse or reusable bag, however, make sure to give it the sanitizing treatment when you bring it back inside your home. In addition to a daily wipe down, you should do a more intensive cleaning of your bags once a week. According to some professional guidelines, woven and non-woven polypropylene, cotton, bamboo, or hemp bags can generally go in the washing machine. All those materials, aside from cotton, cannot go in the dryer and should be line-dried. Nylon, polyester, or insulated bags should be hand-washed with soap and water. 4. Smartphones. Months ago, you probably never considered cleaning your phone every day. But it's likely the one thing you touch more than anything else throughout the day. If not wiped down with disinfectant, the handling of your iPhone after being in multiple places may counteract the benefits of hand washing. Remember to wipe your phone down before and after calls too. Your mouth comes in close contact with the contaminated surface, leading to an increased risk of transmission of contaminants. 5. House keys. They're commonly put in your pants or jacket pocket and are touched every time you leave and return to your home, and possibly several times in between, while out doing errands. So whenever you return home, scrub them down with a little disinfectant and leave them to dry by your door. 6. Eyeglasses. If you wear glasses every day, you might not be aware of how often you're touching your face. When adjusting your glasses, you often inadvertently touch your face and may be tempted to rub your eyes without washing your hands first. Droplets from a person's sneeze or cough could land on your glasses, so it's important to clean them throughout the day. 7. Doorknobs and light switches. These are some of the most commonly touched surfaces in your home. In fact, you probably touch them more than you think. It is important to make a regular habit of disinfecting and wiping down all doorknobs in the house, particularly those leading out and in through the front door of your home. This goes for the light switches at the entrance of every room too, especially the ones by your front door. 8. Desk and workstations. It is easy to forget the high risk of your desk getting contaminated from routinely placing items, smartphones, wallet, keys, etc., on its surface. That's why it's recommended you clean daily, particularly now that you're likely working from home. Clear the surface of any items and use a multi-purpose cleanser with a towel to prep it for the next day. 9. Communal electronics. If you share electronics with family members, your spouse, or roommates, it poses a significant risk of spreading germs and viral particles. This includes everything from kitchen gadgets to gaming devices, tablets, and phones. While it might be unrealistic to clean all the electronics in your home on a daily basis, at least be mindful of when you're using something, and if someone was using it before you, or will be using it after you. 10. Remote controls. Find yourself watching a lot of TV right now? No judgment here, we all are. But that means your remotes and other controllers are in desperate need of a good cleaning. Before you shut down for the night, try to remember to give them a quick wipe down with some kind of disinfectant. 11. Mail. Before you bring new packages and products into your house, wipe them down with some type of disinfectant. Consider doing this with just general mail as well. And once your mail and packages are inside, keep the mail area clean and uncluttered by wiping it down, and recycling junk mail and empty boxes every night. 12. Toilet handles. Your toilet is a hotbed of germs and nasty bacteria, and it's easy for them to multiply with repeated uses of your bathroom throughout the day. You should be wiping down the toilet flush handles and buttons often. Again, after you brush your teeth at night, wipe or spray the handles and give the outside of the toilet a quick cleanse. 13. Bathroom sink. Your bathroom is the room where you go to get yourself clean, so you certainly want to make sure it's germ-free every day. Give your bathroom sink and counters a quick wipe down after you brush your teeth. Keep some Clorox wipes next to your bathroom vanity for quick access. 14. Sink accessories. You've already nailed the nightly sink basin cleanse, but going the extra mile to ensure your sink area is as spotless as can be. Those faucet handles are definite germ zones. And while you're at it, spurts down the pump on your soap dispenser. You might not think about it, but your soap pump can hold on to all the contaminants from your unwashed hands. 15. Dining tables. This is a place where food and hands meet, so you definitely want this to be germ-free. After each meal, use a simple multi-purpose cleaner to clear away crumbs, clean off the surface, and keep it free of bacteria and grime. This also ensures you won't pass on any germs to the next person who eats there. 16. Kitchen counter. These days, you're probably using your kitchen counter several times a day, whether you're cooking meals or simply setting down the takeout food you just picked up. We suggest wiping your counter down each night to keep your kitchen germ-free. If there are dirty dishes that you can't get to before bed, leave them soaking in the sink overnight. They won't take up room on the counter and they'll be way easier to clean in the morning. 17. Craft table or play area. With your kids spending more time at home now, you're already doing your best to keep them clean and healthy. But you can't forget about the surfaces they use most often. When they're playing and crafting, you'll want to make sure their tables are clean and free of any germs. Keep everyone healthy by giving their play surfaces a squirt of disinfectant daily. 18. Nightstands. Your bedside table is more than likely the place where you put your phone every night before going to bed. It also may hold things like water bottles, hair ties, reading material, loose chains, and more, all which have been exposed to germs at some point during the day. Besides, this sacred space is close to your head all night, so leaving it clear and tidy will help you wake up on the right side of the bed and feel more in control. So clear away the clutter every day, and give it a good wipe down before you drift off to sleep. Check the description below and click the link to find out where to get best and affordable sanitizers for all kind of uses.